Affirmation 950, I am successful. Affirmation 951, I am and I can do this and be the accomplishment. Manifestation, affirmation, I can't even remember what I'm saying. Affirmation 970, I can do this. If you're like me, I used to do 10,000 affirmations. It used to take me an hour in the morning, an hour at night, and honestly, I wouldn't feel anything I was saying. Eventually, I was just trying to get the affirmations done. I'd have stacks of paper everywhere. But I learned a long time ago that it's not about the amount of affirmations you do, it's about how you do it. And doing one affirmation and actually feeling it to be true today is all that matters. So we try to boil down all these pages of affirmations into just maybe a page or 2 pages, or even a fewer than that, 1 to 3 affirmations, but truly feeling it to be real today. Feeling it to be the actual physical results in your life today, or feeling it to be true in your imagination, that is the key. The feeling is the key, not the actual truckload of affirmations that we do. Once we feel it, we're in that vibration of it and we start to attract it into our lives.